Hello, maayong buntag sa tanan. Um, Happy anniversary, Iligan Vlogger Society. Thank you for allowing me to say something about vlogging. But first of all, I want to say kudos sa ginagawa niyong effort dyan sa Iligan City and helping the community, especially during the Typhoon Sendong. No? I'm very, very proud that I have known some of your members, and all I can say is that you are doing a very, very good job, and I hope that you would continue to do what you are doing, hindi lang dyan sa Iligan, kundi dyan sa Mindanao. So again, happy anniversary and more anniversaries to come. On about vlogging naman, no? What I want to say, I'm not an expert, but so far I'm doing great sa ginagawa ko sa vlog, and siguro some mga payo, no?
Is it right to continue?
What I'm doing is that I write from the heart. Write about my passion. So siguro that's one of the reasons why I always update my blog, like 2 to 3 times a week. I can blog something about, because I'm writing about my passion. So think about those topics that is close to your heart, topics that are close to your heart, and write about that. Doon din makaka-relate kasi yung mga readers mo. They would keep coming back if you are writing from the heart and if you are sincere in what you are writing about. And also what I do is I don't make it hard for my readers to comment or to read it. So kapag mag-comment sila, I try to reply, and so that they can read the reply and reply back. So in that way, so they will keep coming, keep visiting your blog. I also make sure also that your blog is unique. Be creative and think of a blog that will separate you from others. So yung branding, napakahalaga nun. So dapat pag sinabi, kaya fashion about Mindanao, so alam mo kagad, sino ba yun? Ganun. Or this one's the cheapest traveler in the Philippines, so sino kaya yun? Or ito yung very, very funny na vlog sa Philippines, so alam mo, may brand ka na, and when people ask about that topic or that vlog, ikaw yung naiisip. And also, don't forget to connect and network with other bloggers. Think of them not as competition, no? Think of them as ally. Someone who can help you gain more readers. So sa blogging kasi walang walang competition. Everyone is helping each other. So don't think of them na mas marami siyang reader, no? Mas marami akong reader, no? Not like that. It's more of a shared world. Ganun sana yung pag-iisip ng bawat isa, no? And I guess you just continue what you are doing. If you love what you are doing, and people would take time to read your stuff. So I guess that's it, and I want to thank you again for giving me an opportunity to tell something about vlogging. This is Journeying James, and I hope to see you guys when I go back to Iligan City. I really miss Tinago Falls and the delicious lechon. So that's it. Thank you so much, and I hope that you would visit my blog. It's journeyingjames.com, and follow me on Twitter @journeyingjames. Thank you guys, and God bless you all.